Welcome guys to the channel. In today's video we are going to be unboxing the Philips OneBlade legendary shaver over here in the version of the 360 blade. So what do we got over here inside the box is the 14 length settings precision comp from 0.4 to 10 millimeters, click-on comp and click-on skin guard. So this is for your private areas over here. Two blades, one blade, as the producer says, lasts about 4 months for this particular shaver. The shaver itself, which is I believe 90 minutes runtime, and a USB type A charging power adapter with not a USB-C connector. So let's get it started over here and unbox this shaver, guys. Alrighty, let's see what is inside the box. So we can see the 360 blade and we'll do a little test on that. And the packaging is very nicely packaged, I have to say, over here. As you look at this, guys, we have the OneBlade storage box as it says over here. So let's see what is inside. First of all, I didn't expect this nice of a packaging. So we have the two heads over here, as you can see, pre-attached with the comps for your body shaving, for your private areas over here. So if you are tired of skin burns or razor irritations, etc., this is how it looks like. Let's put it on the side over here. Let's take out the second one. Feels pretty nice in the hand, and we'll see how this will perform. So I will put it on the side, then we'll go for the 14 settings adjustable one. Let me figure out how to get it out. Unfortunately, I dropped the razor itself. Alright. Now I can see how it's attached. So this is how the attachable or the switchable head looks like. As you can see, as I turn the dial, the upper part moves away from the shaver itself. So this is pretty nice. Let me clean this up. Alright, so for the shaver itself, for the head, this is how it looks like. That's a nice touch over here as well. So as you can see, it seems like the battery is empty. This is the connection point. This is how you detach the head itself. And let's see what else do we got over here. The cable, so typical USB-A, no charger inside. A little guard for travel or to store it. Then we got some papers. As you know, we don't need those. This one as well. There was a receipt as well. And that's it. Let's try to connect the head itself. That's in it. So with everything moved out from the way and the device actually charged, let's do a little test run with all of the attachments. So this is how the razor itself sounds like. Let's do a dry test over here. So as you can see, this works pretty well. And make sure or understand that I don't know how to use it yet. So that's a pretty good result. So let's test one of the guards. You simply just press it in over here like so. Impressive as well. And to detach it, you kind of have to, take it from the side and bend it out from the shaver itself So this is pretty self-explanatory over here. Same as the last one, you kind of have to bend it from the side. It's easier to make it when it's connected to the device itself. By the way, the device feels very nice in the hand. We can see the work of the 360 blade over here. It bends in both directions very nicely. And now let's try this one before we will try the kit for travel, I guess, or just to store it away. So I just put it in like so, and now the razor itself is safe. I will do a little close-up for you as well of the razor itself, how it looks like. You can see that the blades are actually like, I don't know how much can this be, but about, let's say, 0.1 millimeter away from the edge. So this is why it doesn't irritate your skin as much as a normal blade. So the last one, the 14th way adjustable one, I just guessed it how you put it in. It has a nice comb built in for your hair, and you have pretty much a standard shaver, I guess, here made out of it. And again, this is how you adjust the length or the size. So you can see on the beginning the increments are very small, the drops are very subtle. On the end it moves every 2 millimeters, so you can definitely see that. So this is it for this unboxing video, guys. Subscribe if you like it, let me know in the comments below. If you have any problems with this device, I will try my best to answer it. And thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.